Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going to do something inside. Hubby has been asking me to make some immune boosting remedies for at home that I make. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and try fermenting garlic in honey, and that is a great immune booster. It's going to help when you're sick, get over the colds a lot faster. So let's head inside and let's start making this easy, simple remedy. Alright friends, for this really simple and easy remedy, you only need two things, and that is raw honey and fresh garlic. So I've got both those things, and this raw honey is from our good friends Robert and Sherry from LSR Adventures. They gave us this from their bees. Unfortunately, this year we're not going to be able to get any honey from our bees. We're going to leave it for them for winter. But I do have this awesome honey that I'm going to be using for this remedy. So all we need to do is go ahead and remove all the skins off of your garlic and then give them a good smash, so that way it opens it up and starts allowing the juices to come out of the garlic. And then we're going to fill the jar with the garlic about a little more than halfway full, and then we're going to top it off with our honey. So let's get started. Alright friends, so now that my garlic is all peeled, I'm just going to smash them just to kind of open it up a little bit and then stick them into my jars. Now you're going to go ahead and take your raw honey and you're going to pour it inside your jar until it completely covers your garlic. And you want to make sure that you're using raw honey. Go ahead and put your lid on and then just kind of move it around to make sure the honey gets distributed all throughout your garlic. Once it's all settled, if you need more honey, go ahead and add more honey. Alright friends, so now that our garlic is completely covered with the honey, we're going to go ahead and when we seal this jar, we're going to just lightly seal it because this is going to be a ferment, and ferments need to be able to burp. Every day you're going to come through, tighten it, turn it upside down, let the honey distribute to the bottom, make sure your garlic is completely covered with the honey again, and then go ahead and put it back upright and stick it in a dark spot. It's going to be about a week before it's really ready to go and you can start eating from it, and then it's going to be a week to a month for the fermentation to really take full effect. And then you can just store this anywhere in the house, and you can use it anywhere from 6 months to a year, and this is going to be great for flu season. If you're just not feeling well, going ahead and taking a spoonful of this, or you can also take a garlic with a little bit of honey and eat that, and it's going to boost your immune system. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, no, no. Yeah. All of my friends say